Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn globalization and the Indian economy together step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study globalization, how economies around the world have become connected, and what this has meant for India. Globalization is the rapid integration of countries through trade, investment, and the movement of people and ideas. Goods, services, and capital now flow more freely across national borders than ever before. Multinational corporations drive globalization. A car company, for instance, may design in one country, make parts in another, and assemble elsewhere to cut costs. They invest where production is cheapest. Globalization spread through faster transport and information technology. In India, the liberalization reforms of 1991 removed many trade barriers, opening the economy to foreign companies and investment. Globalization gave consumers more choice and created jobs in many sectors. But small producers faced stiff competition, so we need fair globalization, where benefits are shared and workers are protected. To recap, globalization links economies through trade and investment, led by multinational companies. India opened up in 1991, gaining choice and jobs, while striving to make globalization fair for all. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.